Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to be making a book cover. Alright, thanks again for tuning in, and we are going to get started right now. Alright guys, here's our paper that represents our fabric. Fold your fabric in half. Grab a copy of your favorite book. Lay your book flat on your fabric. Trace around your book. We've just created the inside flaps. Trace the spine of your book. Lay the spine of your book down flat on your fabric where you've traced. Trace the front and back cover of your book. We now have our book cover and our inside flaps. Cut out the inside flaps. Because our fabric is folded, you will end up with 2 inside flaps. Now you're going to cut out the book cover. The fabric does not have to be folded because we only need 1 book cover. Lay your book cover flat with the right side facing up. Glue or sew your inside flaps onto your book cover. Do not glue or sew the sides near the spine of your book. Leave that side open. I'm using the orange marker to represent the glue, guys, so just to make it a little easier. Alright guys, now I'm going to make it, and you can make it with me. Alright, you guys, so here we are going to flip our book cover right side out. Place the front and back cover inside of the flaps. Feel free to decorate. We're all done. And subscribe for more videos. See you next time.